Hello, welcome to Corky's Tea Time. We're here with a product review, and what we're going to talk about is carpet installation from Lowe's hardware store. If you can see right here, this line here, the carpet has come undone. We had the carpet installed in 2017. How much did you pay for the carpet?
$2,300.
And when the gentleman who was supposed to install the carpet showed up, they didn't come with the carpeting and padding in a truck. They came in a van. One man came in a van. One man was to carpet this whole house, wall to wall, 3 full bedrooms, wall to wall, including the living room and the hallway. When he arrived, there were 2 pieces of furniture that needed to be moved off the old carpet so he could get started. My husband didn't have anybody to help him, and the gentleman became upset. They did get together and get the furniture moved, got the carpet installed. And the thing is, though, Lowe's Hardware does not come and install the carpet themselves. They hire outside sources. So it was an outside company that came, and they were called Emerald Carpet Installers. And not only did it come undone here, there's also a line running right here underneath the tripod. There's 2 lines right there by the dining room entrance. And at our bedroom entrance, there's 3 lines where the carpet has raised upward. My husband went down to Lowe's Hardware to ask them to come and repair this because it had a 1-year warranty on it. He was there the day after the warranty expired, and they said because it was the day after that he came, they won't cover it. We have tried to look into hiring other people to come and stretch the carpet. Maybe that would help to get it in place. That's not worked out.
It's a Stainmaster carpet and padding.
Yeah,
and
10
I tried
pound
to
padding.
get the best carpet that I could get for the home, and they built their image up to make it look good on their end, and I was expecting when they showed up to be more than one person.
Right.
And not complaining the whole time he's putting the carpet in. I almost threw him out of the house. But because I moved everything in the house to get this job done, expecting a crew of more than one person to come in, thinking that Lowe's has a good reputation, my advice to the public is do not buy carpet from Lowe's. Do not listen to their scam, because it's not worth it.
Right. And it was this coming up of the carpet was not caused by furniture being moved around. The furniture was placed on the carpet and it was left there. And it was within the year of having the carpet put in, it just started coming up in different places.
He did a real quick job. Hurry up, I want to get out of the house and leave, and there you go, you're on your own.
Right.
That's what it comes down to for $2,300.
Right. And we have to figure out how to get these rolls out of the carpeting by ourselves, because like I said, trying to talk to people to see if they'll come out with a carpet stretcher and stretch it back into place for us, that's not working out. You know,
It's only me and my wife, so it's not like we have a house full of family that has trampled on the carpet. We take care of our home.
Right, it's just us 3 here.
And the carpet was not stretched enough to stay put. It's just a lousy job, and
Right.
I'm not very happy with Lowe's. I won't be until this gets resolved, if it gets resolved, which I doubt.
And then after the carpet was installed, the man says to my husband, only walk on this carpet with socks on your feet. Don't walk on this carpet barefoot. Somehow or another, the oils from your feet will ruin the carpet. It's supposed to be Stainmaster carpet. And what else was it? Oh, and then vacuum only in a certain direction.
Yeah. Stainmaster carpet, some of their best carpet, and we
Right.
have to have instructions on how to walk on it and how to vacuum it. Doesn't make
Correct.
sense. I
Right.
will never do business with Lowe's again.
No.
on any kind of remodel, ever.
Right. And so this is our product review for Stainmaster carpeting with 10-pound padding from Lowe's Hardware. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. If you like this product review, please click like and subscribe.
Bye.